dum dum. Wood adventures, boom boom boom. Wood adventures, wham pam pam. Wood and toy adventures, here it's called Woodventures. Playing with our wood friends, welcome to Woodventures. Wood adventures, knock knock knock. Wood adventures, dum dum dum. Wood adventures, boom boom boom. Wood adventures, wham pam pam. Wood and toy adventures, here it's called Woodventures. Playing with our wood friends, welcome to Woodventures. Choo Choo Train. In the wooden place, everybody plays. Here lives a horsey, Horsey Yee-Ho-Ho.
Yee-ho-ho!
Then there is a doggy, Doggy Woof-Woof.
Woof!
Here lives a kitty, Kitty Meow.
Meow!
And a not-so-small elephant, Elephant Pawoo.
Pawoo! Oink!
And even a piggy, Piggy Oink.
Oink, oink!
In the wooden place, everybody plays. One day, Piggy Oink and Horsey Yee-Ho-Ho were playing tag. But it's not so easy to catch up with Horsey. Looks like Horsey has found something interesting. Racing through the meadow, faster than the wind. Who could that be? We all know. Horsey Yee-Ho-Ho, you-ho! Wow! It's a big book about adventures on the railroad. And this is a choo-choo train. It can ride very, very fast. It would be difficult to catch up with. Looking at the sky, counting all the stars, and I sing a song as I go around, waving to my friends with my giant ears. Elephant named Pawoo. The friends loved the choo-choo train and now want to play railroad. Here comes Kitty. Meow, meow, kitty cat, coat is strewn with flowers. Meow, 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 little cat, she's a friend of ours. Meow.
Meow, 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 meow!
It looks like Kitty loves the train too.
Meow!
To play railroad, you need so much. Rails and ties. Where can we get all that?
Pawoo!
Here comes Woof-Woof. Wow! Elephant Pawoo is painting ties for the railroad.
Meow! Meow, meow!
And Kitty Meow is helping him. She's drawing rails. We are building bit by bit a lovely railroad kit. We are building bit by bit a lovely railroad kit. We will draw the railroad lines, railroad lines, railroad lines, and we will draw the railroad signs. Our railroad is ready. We can start playing. Who will be the engine? And where are the cars? Well, we can set out. I am a blue engine, puffing and so handsome. Our train's gaining pace. Our train is gaining pace. Our train is gaining pace. Our train is gaining pace. We are racing at full speed. wooden friends are saying goodbye to you. See you next time, kids.
Knock, 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 rat-tat-tat. The friends should really go to bed.
Skating rink. In the wooden place, everybody plays. Here lives a horsey, Horsey Yee-Ho-Ho.
Yee-ho-ho!
Then there's a doggy, Doggy Woof-Woof.
Woof, woof. Woof.
Here lives a kitty, Kitty Meow.
Meow.
And a not-so-small elephant, Elephant Pawoo.
Pawoo. Oink.
And even a piggy, Piggy Oink.
Oink, oink.
In the wooden place, everybody plays. Once on a winter day, Piggy went out for a walk. Oink saw that his favorite Puddles were gone.
Oink, oink, oink.
Oink, oink.
Hello, I'm Piggy. Songs and games are what I like.
Oink, oink.
Also, I enjoy sunbathing and some puddle wallowing.
Where are they? Come on, Oink. Let's go look for them. Here comes Kitty. Kitty Meow has put on her little hat to keep warm. Because it's cold in winter. Meow, Oink has lost his Puddles. Will you help him find them?
Where have all the lovely puddles gone?
Oink, where have all the lovely Puddles gone? Meow.
Where have all the lovely puddles gone? All the puddles are hidden now.
Here comes Horsey Yee-Ho-Ho. Oh no! Looks like Yee-Ho-Ho is slipped because it's slippery in winter. Yee-Ho-Ho, let's look for the Puddles together.
Where have all the lovely puddles gone from here? Where are all the puddles now that winter's come?
Here comes Woof-Woof. Woof is dressed warmly today. He won't be cold now.
Woof, woof.
Good boy. Woof-Woof, let's help Piggy find his favorite Puddles.
Where can we find the puddles?
Where
can we find the puddles?
Where can
we find the puddles?
So where are all these Puddles? When will the wooden friends find them? Here comes Elephant Pawoo.
His legs are like columns, his trunk is a pipe. Who's that stomping toward us? A giant elephant. Pawoo, 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 I will come to help you out.
Pawoo is cold, and he's sneezing. He must put on a hat, too.
Pawoo!
Oh, looks like we found a puddle. But something's wrong with it. The puddle has been covered in snow, and it's frozen. But now we can skate on it.
Now we have a skating rink. Ole, ole, ola. Instead of a puddle. Ole, ole, ola.
So it means we go like this, and it means we go like this, and we also go like this,
And we sing together. It's so smooth. And it's so icy. Here comes Horsey. Right so nicely. And she's followed by her friends.
I am Oink, it's me, it's me. I am Wolf, it's me, it's me. I'm Meow, it's me, it's me. I'm Pawoo, it's me, it's me. The wooden and friends are saying goodbye to you. See you next time, kids.
Knock, 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 rat-tat-tat. Friends should really go to bed.
Peekaboo. In the wooden place, everybody plays. Here lives a horsey, Horsey Yee-Ho-Ho.
Yee-ho-ho!
Then there is a doggy, Doggy Woof-Woof.
Woof, woof. Woof.
Here lives a kitty, Kitty Meow.
Meow.
And a not-so-small elephant, Elephant Pawoo.
Pawoo. Oink.
And even a piggy, Piggy Oink.
Oink, oink.
In the wooden place, everybody plays. I got up so very early and went for a walk. Where are all my wooden friends? Can't we have a talk? Friends are home, friends are home. Oink, 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 I'm here alone.
His legs are like columns, his trunk is a pipe. Who's that stomping toward us? A giant elephant. Pawoo, 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 I will come to help you out.
One day, Elephant Pawoo and Piggy Oink were thinking, what should they play? The not-so-small elephant was thinking so hard, he even closed his eyes. By the way,
Pawoo.
there is such a game, Peekaboo. Pawoo, do you know how to play Peekaboo? Then let's teach Piggy how to play. Oink, stand across from Pawoo and close your eyes. And when I say Peekaboo, open them. Close your eyes, Oink. Peekaboo. Oh, where is Pawoo? Peekaboo. There he is. Peekaboo, peekaboo, having lots of fun. Peekaboo, peekaboo, time to close your eyes. Peekaboo, peekaboo, having lots of fun. Peekaboo, peekaboo, open up your eyes. And now it's Pawoo's turn. Want to try? Pawoo, close your eyes. Peekaboo, peekaboo, having lots of fun. Peekaboo, peekaboo. Where has Oink gone? Peekaboo. Where did he go? Peekaboo. 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 Maybe our friends can help find him. Elephant told his friends how they were playing peekaboo with Oink, but then Oink disappeared. Peekaboo, peekaboo, having lots of fun. Peekaboo, peekaboo, time to close your eyes. Both the grown-ups and the kids play the peekaboo game. Peekaboo, peekaboo. Piggy's back again. What a sly little thing. He was hiding behind Elephant all this time. He just wanted to have some fun. Both the grown-ups and the kids play the peekaboo game. Peekaboo, peekaboo. Piggy's back again. The day The wooden friends are saying goodbye to you. See you next time, kids.
Knock, knock, rat-tat-tat. The friends should really go to bed.
Christmas tree. In the wooden place, everybody plays. Here lives a horsey, Horsey Yee-Ho-Ho.
Yee-ho-ho!
Then there is a doggy, Doggy Woof-Woof.
Woof-woof!
Here lives a kitty, Kitty Meow. And a not-so-small elephant, Elephant Pawoo.
Pawoo! Oink!
And even a piggy, Piggy Oink.
Oink, oink!
In the wooden place, everybody plays. Winter has come to the wooden place. Our wooden friends are getting ready for Christmas. What do they need to do? Exactly! Decorate the Christmas tree and give presents to one another. Where can we hang the decorations? On the Christmas tree, of course. Where shall we put the lights? On the Christmas tree, where else? And where shall we put the presents? Yes, under the Christmas tree, too. But should we disturb the fir trees that grow in the woods? Fir trees have a little home, and from there they never roam. Every branch and every twig will be growing very big. Why don't we make a Christmas tree ourselves? It looks like Oink has got a great idea. We shall gather all the rings, and we'll build the pyramid. Now the pyramid will show how the Christmas tree will grow. Oink, 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 oink. I will build it on my own, on my own. Hey, oink, 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 oink. I will build it on my own, on my own. Hey! Why is Elephant so thrilled? Has he thought of something new? Why the green, you might complain. This is easy to explain. Our pyramid is green. It is now a Christmas tree. Let's decorate the tree. Let us decorate the tree. Bubbles flying to the sky, swinging on the tree so high. Our dearest Christmas tree. Make us happy, you and me. Little snowflakes in the sky, falling on the tree so high. Our dearest Christmas tree. But there is still something missing. Oh, where has Oink gone? Oink has brought presents for everyone. What a beautiful Christmas tree. What is up there on top? It's a clock. Look at our Christmas night. All the lights are burning bright. Our Christmas tree is done. Merry Christmas, everyone. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. you. Merry Christmas, everyone!